Welcome to Circle of Wellbeing, an engaging, hands-on team activity where every task contributes to a larger purpose, supporting health and hygiene for communities in need. Step 1. Team up and get your mission-formed teams and receive empty boxes, some for first aid kits, others for hygiene kits. Your goal: fill and personalize them with care. Step 2. Solve to collect crack puzzles to earn kit items. Each correct answer unlocks a needed supply. Communication and teamwork are essential. Step 3. Assemble and personalize. Once you've gathered all items, assemble your kits and decorate the boxes with a personal, uplifting touch. Step 4. Your completed kits will be donated to an NGO, spreading care where it's needed most, supporting access to basic health, hygiene, and dignity for the underprivileged. In this purpose-driven challenge, creativity, collaboration, and CSR unite to make a meaningful difference.